Wait. I need you to breathe for a moment. Have you ever prayed and nothing changed? Have you ever begged Allah for something and still watched it slip away? It feels like your life is stuck, like everyone else is moving forward, and you're still in the same place. But what if I told you, this isn't a delay? This is design. You're not looking at a broken life. You're looking at the architecture of your destiny. And today, the architect is about to show you why every delay was actually perfect. Allah says in the Quran, Allah has set for everything a precise measure, a time, meaning nothing in your life is random. Every delay, every hardship, every unanswered prayer is happening within a measure designed by Allah. Allah doesn't do random. He does precision. If that door didn't open, it's because what was behind it wasn't ready for you, or you weren't ready for it. Think about this. That thing you cried over, what if it actually went your way and destroyed your peace? That person you wanted so badly, what if they stayed and broke you completely? We only see the moment. Allah sees the entire blueprint. Your struggle is not punishment, it's preparation. You've been grieving over what you lost, while Allah is protecting you from what you never saw. When Allah takes something away, He's not emptying your hands. He's making space for something greater. Listen carefully. You are not a victim of your life. You are under the care of the Most High. The people who left you, they were not part of your final blueprint. The opportunity you lost, it was a path that would have led you somewhere. You don't belong. Stop trying to control the design. Start trusting the designer. One day, you will look back at this phase of your life and thank Allah for the delays you once cried over. Peace comes when you trust that your life is in the best hands. I said, if you're ready to stop worrying and start trusting Allah's plan, type, Ya Allah, I trust your plan, even when I don't understand it. Send this to someone who feels like they're falling apart. Remind them they're actually falling into place. Stay blessed always.